Guys, June 18th, 2020. I gotta go do an oil burner annual service. This is the one that's got the two Roth tanks. And, oh, that's the fuzz. It's the fuzz. But anyway, we gotta go doing the annual on this thing. I usually like doing them in the fall, but this guy's calling me, so it's a Scotch marine boiler. So I might open it up, take a look inside. I might have to clean it out. I don't know how dirty it is. But I know it's got an overhead oil line, and we'll see if it equalized. The guy won't be sniffing around, seeing that it's a bat flu. Tell him to keep his distance because of the bat flu, mama. The old bat flu. So that's about 3/4. That's about 3/4. That's about they're equalizing, so that's good. He's got an overhead line. It runs over here. I'm going to change this filter here. So it's been new filter house says at 17. It's been a few years, so we'll change it. Don't look like there's a lot of soot, see it? That's good. Let's change the filter. I've got a tiger loop I put on it. It should be self-priming. It's an overhead line, so I'm gonna have to bleed it. That looks pretty clean. Looks relatively clean. Put a new filter in there. There was a lot of sludge in that tank. What I did was I raised up the line like 4 inches or 6 inches off the bottom of the tanks. Alright, that should take care of that part. Filter didn't look too bad. Alright, filter didn't look too bad. We did change it. We'll check the nozzle, see what that looks like. little carbon. It's a 1 gallon. It's a 1 gallon 60, I think. 1 gallon 45. 1 gallon 60, that'll be fine. Good enough for this neighborhood. That should be self-priming. I did leave some oil in that filter, so it should be self-priming. It's been a few years. We'll probably open it up, take a look inside there, see what it looks like. Yeah, got a little sediment in there, not a crazy amount. We'll get the vacuum it out a little. Yo, how you doing? dirty in there, but always good to give it a once over. We'll jump out a couple of them zones and give it a good run. Make sure that it primes good. Give it a good run. About a couple of zones here. Jump out zone 1. And we'll jump out zone 2. On the TT. I should fire it. Zone 1 and 2 might be off on limit. Yeah, looks like they're all calling now. Priority 6 is off. They're all let it run for a little bit because I want to get some of that air out of the tiger loop. Should be self-priming, but we'll see. See the air in there? It's from the filter. Self-priming. You can see how it cleared up in there, right? So the air basically went to the tiger loop. Still, it looks like one zone is calling. I don't know what zone that is. That might be the hot water. Look at the storage tank here. That's probably what's calling for heat. See where I put those pipes up about a foot because the tanks are all full of sludge. See the lift pipes where the marks are? That's up about a foot off the them tanks. It was all full of sludge. Kept having an issue. So what I did was I lifted the pipes up, I turned it into a 1 pipe, and I put a tiger loop over there, which is going to draw, because before it was a 2 pipe and it was stirring up all the sludge in the tanks. So that's how I solved that problem. I put a tiger loop with a 1 pipe, so it just pulls what it needs through the tiger loop. Most of the flow will go through the tiger loop here, and it'll just pull what it needs from the 1 pipe, and it won't disturb the oil in the bottom of the tank by dumping it back with a 2 pipe. So that's how I solved that problem. Alright, Alright, so today is 18th. Vacuum boiler, new filter for tanks, new nozzle, good oil flow. It should be good. It's off on high limit. The one zone that's still calling is for the hot water. This one here. Still heating up the storage tank.